Hi there, this is Brian from brianalcott.com. Welcome to my Commission Ignition review. This launches on the 2nd of November at 10 AM Eastern Standard Time, and I'm inside the members area here, and I'm going to give you a run through and show you exactly what's in here in a few minutes. But just to summarize, so what is Commission Ignition all about? Well, Commission Ignition will teach you how to harness the organic power of Quora. Now, Quora is a fantastic site for driving traffic to any offer, and you're going to learn all about Quora in this training course from Johnny Rose, who is my friend and colleague who I've worked with in the Ministry of Freedom with John O. Armstrong. He's one of the students, as I am, and he's making great progress with product creation, and this is another one of his fantastic products. So if this is something that's going to interest you and show you how to make money with Quora, stick with me to the end of this video, and I've got some great custom bonuses I'm going to give to you free of charge if you purchase Quora through my link today, which is the first link below this YouTube video. If you click on that, it brings you to my bonus page here. Excuse me, and then if you click on any of the big orange buttons on the page, it will bring you to the sales page, where you can scroll down, click the orange button on the sales page and purchase Quora for the front end one-off price of $9.45. So it's an absolute no-brainer for the amount of content you're going to get and training with this product. You do need to come back here to my bonus page before this expires. It reaches zero, this countdown timer, because that's when my bonuses will be expiring, and I wouldn't want you to miss out on them, because they're special bonuses been created to help you with your Commission Ignition purchase. They're really going to help you out, and they are really top quality bonuses. I'll show you what they are now. Bonus number one is Mobilely. Now this is a John O. Armstrong product, and he's going to show you how to make $100 a day on your cell phone. This is one of John O's earlier products, still works well today, and he's given me these bonuses to give to you because I'm working, as I said, with John O in the Ministry of Freedom. So that's a great bonus start. Bonus number two is 5 email marketing tips for higher conversions. So again, email marketing with Quora, you're going to be driving traffic, you're going to need to, it's going to build your list, you're going to need to be able to email. So this is going to really help you out with your purchase of Commission Ignition today. Bonus number three, then again, build your buyers list automatically. This is John O's product again, that's really going to help you build your list, and say with Quora you're going to be driving tons of traffic, so you're going to build a big list and you'll be able to sell your products very easily with the help of that product as well. Then we've got bonus number four, which is from $0 to $100 in 24 hours, and this is for the first 24 hours only. So you do need to get yourself back to make this purchase within 24 hours of the 2nd of November at 10 AM Eastern, so you don't miss out on that one. This again, it's another of John O's quality products. And then bonus number five, you're going to get all the vendor bonuses. You're not going to miss out on those by purchasing through my link, which is, again, is the first link in the description below this video. And once you purchase through my link, click on the big orange buttons, take you to the receipt page on Warrior Plus, where if you click on this blue button here, that will then instantly deliver all these quality bonuses completely free of charge to you, just for buying the front end of Commission Ignition for $9.45. So, you know, to get all those quality bonuses as well as Commission Ignition, well, it's going to be a real no-brainer for you. So I'll just have a quick look at the sales page. So this is the sales page. You're going to be a video here from Johnny Rose. So see how we ignite our commissions and make $180 plus every single day on autopilot in minutes. So you can scroll down. There's going to be income proof on here from Johnny and Sasha, who is obviously working with Johnny. So this is another one of their great products. And so if you have a look here, there's going to be case studies that are going to show you exactly how people are making money with Quora and making 5 figures a month, and it's going to show you how they do that. So if you come back and have a look at this sales page in your own time, you'll see exactly what the value is in here. So I'll take you into the members area now. This is the members area, and this is Johnny Rose. And so you're going to get a welcome video from Johnny, and you need to watch this first to understand the power of Quora. Then you've got all the training here. So much content in here. So introduction to Quora marketing made easy. What is Quora all about? Setting up Quora. Using Quora to market your business. How to post your videos into Quora. Using Quora to find and engage buyers. Repurposing content for Quora. SEO hack. Adding a backlink to your Quora answer. And setting up Quora ads, and then setting up traffic campaigns. So look at all the content in here. It's absolutely amazing for $9.45. Section 2, then these are the case studies, the introduction to the case studies, and you've got 5 different case studies here from people making money with Quora. And then you've got the conclusion. Also you've got the upgrades if you want to get the upgrades. I'll show you what they are in a minute. And then free traffic bonuses, and then special unannounced bonuses. So an absolute jam-packed training module here from inside the Commission Ignition members area. So as I say, for $9.45, it's a no-brainer, and you're getting all these bonuses as well. So there are some upsells. You don't need to buy these to get complete delivery of all my bonuses, but I'll just go through them with you now. So Commission Ignition upsell number 1 is the Pro version for $27.45 with a downsell of $17. Upsell number 2, Commission Ignition done for you, $47.45 with a downsell of $27. Upsell 3, Commission Ignition resell rights, $97.45 with a downsell to $67. And upsell number 4, Commission Ignition coaching for $77.45, and that's a real valuable upsell. If you didn't pick anything else up, I recommend you get an hour of one-to-one coaching, conversation and collaboration with Johnny, where you can get your questions answered by Johnny, discuss any stumbling blocks you're having with the product, or just ask anything you want about internet marketing. So that's a real valuable bonus in itself. That would certainly be worth picking up. As I say, you're going to get, just for the front end, $9.45, all these quality bonuses delivered instantly to you for making your purchase through my affiliate link, which is, say, the first link in the description below this video. So that concludes my my review of Commission Ignition, and I hope you've enjoyed it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.